how to buy DeepSeek AI token on MetaMask. So as you can see, this token is available on COINEX, as you can see guys here. So to be able to buy this token on MetaMask, what you need to do, copy the token address from here. As you know that first of all, you need to add the Solana network on MetaMask. So after you add the Solana network on MetaMask, what you need to do, we need like a bridge to be able to buy this token via MetaMask on our wallet. And another thing is to install the software wallet on your browser, as you can see. So after you add the Solana network and install the software and connect it to MetaMask, click on this pair link here, as you can see, to redirect it to Radium website, as you can see. So after you open the Radium, what you need to do, first of all, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet to Radium. So I will click just on swap. So after that, what you need to do, I will just I will click on cancel. So after that, click on connect wallet. So select the MetaMask. So after you add the Solana network on MetaMask, as you can see, you will be able to see this little icon under the MetaMask logo. Now click on MetaMask, as you can see here. So now, as you can see, click on continue. A software pop-up will be appear here to connect the Radium to MetaMask. So after that, click on connect. And now, as you can see, the Solana wallet is available already to buy this token on it. So after that, click on swap, go back to the DeepSeek AI page on CoinEx. Now copy the token address from here, go back to Radium, and on Solana network, click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token, click on it. So select here the token that you want to buy, Solana, but make sure you have enough Solana on your MetaMask wallet. Now type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see. So this is it, how much you will be able to receive. So after that, make sure to read all of that information. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your MetaMask via Radium. So this is how to buy DeepSeek AI token on MetaMask. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.